channel. In today's video, I will transform this dress, extra large dress, into this dress. So if you're more on transforming clothes, like your old clothes or your okay clothes or the clothes that you don't wear anymore into a new one, then this video is for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, let's begin. Here I measured my waist, my bust size and hips, and also my arm sleeves. So after taking the measurements, now we have to do the marking and then cutting. Don't forget to put 1 inch allowance every time you cut the cloth. For the sleeve, I removed like 1/4 inch as it's a bit bigger. After the cutting, I pinned them together and did the straight stitch. For this lower part, this will be my skirt. I remove first the belt, so I am using the seam ripper. If you don't have a seam ripper, you can use blade, but just be very careful. And then I transferred the measurements of my hip. I just added few inches so that there's still room for adjustments, and I don't want this to be really fit. And all in all, I removed like around 4 inches on both sides. So just put the marking, pin, and then sew. To secure the raw edges, I folded this part into 2, then pin them together and do the straight stitch. On the side of the skirt, I did the zigzag stitch. Here I put back the belt casing. I could have just let it a while ago, but I just don't want to ruin the pattern. So just pin them together and be careful not to pin the belt, because the belt needs to be freely moving inside. So I did a straight stitch. For the top, I added a small cloth. It's for the button later that I will put. And these are the extra pieces I cut from the lower part of the dress. I stitched them together to create a long rectangle. This is like 3 inches width. For this edging, I attach first the back side of the top. So something like this. Then pin them together and then sew. Here I folded the cloth into two, so something like this. It's like 1 inch all in all, and then sew them together, and later I'm gonna put an elastic. So this is the hole and my elastic. Just measure your waist, and then I sewed the edges. So for the button, this is what I'm talking about. That's why I added a small cloth. It's for the button and the buttonhole. So I'm just doing the button. I don't know what you call this again, but I added it since I put an elastic. For the waistline, I changed my mind. I cut the edges shorter. So I did the zigzag stitch, and then I folded it once and straight stitch. It's almost done. I just need to put this elastic. I don't know, but I feel putting it so that when I wear the skirt, I am confident that it will hold well on my body. You see what I mean? Because the belt, I'm not so sure if it can hold well. And we're done!